Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll to talk about whether you should update your software in the Realme X8 Max to the A.18 or not. The main reason why I'm trying to focus on this particular issue again and again, because I'm getting plenty of comments again friends, again today and yesterday also I did get a lot of comments. You can clearly see here. So they did receive the Realme X8 Max device, whoever ordered, I think during the Flipkart sale which went, as you can see. And the main reason I'm asking not to update, because if you update to the A.18 update, the Badwagon's mobile game will be only capped at exactly 70 FPS. So you cannot play the game at 90 FPS. So this is one of the biggest problems friends right now. If you are a Badwagon's mobile gamer, so then don't update your mobile phone to the A.18. Please don't update at all your device, your Realme X8 Max. I don't know, out of the box you'll be getting the A.15 or 16 something around that, but don't update. Few of the users who did update, you can see these are the things. They're getting only 70 FPS after the updates. So you can check your version, what version your phone is running. Just go to the settings option and try to click on the software update. Okay, try to click on software update and you can actually see the version number here. So if you cannot see any kind of version, try to connect to the internet. This requires the internet connection, Wi-Fi or the mobile data. Only then you will be able to see exact what version you are running at. So if you are running at A.16 or A.17, 15, to keep please don't update to this A.18. Don't ever update. So in case if you are Badwagon's mobile game, don't update. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. This is just final conclusion which I thought of giving you for this kind of users who are actually receiving this kind of phone. So Realme X8 Max, who are ordered as well. So make sure to stay tuned for more updates. Once I get the next update, which is A.19, then I'll try to update you again whether the problem got fixed or not. Because this is the most important thing friends, because of the software updates, sometimes this kind of problems may happen in the Realme X8 Max. So not only in this phone, even in other phones as well. So see you in the next video friends, I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.